In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email subscriptions and alerts in Metabase. We'll walk through configuring email, then we'll set up dashboard subscriptions and data alerts so your team gets insights automatically, right in their inbox. Start by opening your browser and searching for Metabase, then click the official result to open it. Once you're on the site, log into your Metabase instance. After you're in, look for the gear icon, which opens administration tools, and head into the admin panel. From the left sidebar, choose Settings, then Email. Here, fill in the required SMTP details from your email provider. The SMTP host, port, security method like TLS or SSL, a username and password, and a from address and name. Make sure you use credentials that are allowed to send on behalf of your chosen from address. And, if you plan to email many recipients, consider using a dedicated sender to avoid throttling. When you're done, save your settings. It's a great idea to send a test email immediately to confirm delivery. If you don't see it within a minute, check your spam or quarantine folders and verify the server and port. Next, let's set up a dashboard subscription. Navigate to the dashboard you want to send. In the top right corner, click the sharing icon, often shown as a paper airplane or share symbol, and select Subscriptions. In the sidebar that appears, choose the Email It option. Add your subscribers by entering their email addresses. Recipients don't need a Metabase account, so you can include external stakeholders or a team distribution list. Choose how often to send the dashboard, hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly, and pick the time of day. Keep your organization's time zone in mind, and aim for times when data is fully refreshed. If you like, attach results as CSV or Excel files and select which questions to include. Keep attachments focused to reduce file size and make the email easier to digest. Click Done to activate the subscription, and Metabase will deliver it on the schedule you chose. Finally, let's create an alert on a question. Open or create the question you care about and be sure it's saved. Click the three dots in the top right of the question and select Create an Alert. Choose the alert condition available for your question type, for example, when a value crosses a threshold or when results appear. Set how often Metabase should check the results and add your recipients. Select Email as the destination, then click Done to save. You're all set to keep your team proactively informed.